Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to prevent people from using your post in the Instagram guides. We'll begin by opening up the Instagram app and going to your profile page like I have here. Once you arrive here, look on the upper right hand corner. Do you see these three bars? Tap on those. And then this menu will appear. Click on where it says settings. Scroll down. Let's see. So settings and then click on privacy. Then scroll down to where it says guides. And then right now is turned on. To turn this off, I want to tap on it once. And it will turn gray. There you go. That's how you can prevent people from using your Instagram posts to share in their guides, okay? If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you thought that video was helpful, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.